Morning. So I'm heading out to Mexicali to go fix my braces, or I don't know, like that monthly thing that you have to go do. So Carlos took the day off and he's gonna take me. But we're gonna go drop off the kids at school, and then Scarlett's going with Luthia. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I don't think I'll record inside the braces thing, but right now they are pink, and then I don't know what color I'm gonna get. I'm gonna see what colors they have. So we're heading out, and we're gonna go pick up my grandma as well because she's gonna go with us. So we'll see you guys in a bit. We're here. Look at my grandma. Let's go to the dentist.
Okay. All right. Thank you, bro. Okay. Why your mom?
Why?
All the stuff.
Bomb ass tacos. So we just picked up Scarlett. We're at my mom's now. We brought all of Mexicali with us. We got the girls some mandiles, is that what they're called? And then we got my son some marshmallows. Open it. Look at Scarlett has in her hand.
What is it?
You ready? That!
We take baskets. That's mine.
Oh, well, I'm leaving right now. We brought food though.
She knows I'll speak on it, but... 1, 2, 3. Did you have fun?
So we just got back. I just picked up the kids for my mom, and we had some tacos that we brought. And then my mom started heading Bible study, so we're jumping out. Yeah, I changed my braces, but you can't see because it's so dark in here. But I changed my braces to like a very, very, very light yellow. You can't even tell that I have it. Seatbelts on, please. So I got the girls' aprons. I got myself an apron. And I got Carlitos a marshmallow. So now we're probably just gonna go on our way home. What are you?
Buddy.
Dad, can you give me a minute?
Yeah.
So we're gonna head home, and then we'll see you guys over there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be bringing you guys a little food vlog. No, a food video. It's probably gonna be short, simple. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the easiest, simplest dinner ever. Honestly, today I'm kind of doing it the long way, so don't mind that. But I'm gonna be doing I don't have a name for this recipe. This is just something I came up with, and I've been doing it for like the past 2 years when I really don't feel like cooking. Like, I have to make dinner, but I don't feel like cooking, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. So if you guys want to see this super fast and easy dinner recipe, then stay tuned. So I probably have already uploaded the other video. So as you can see, I have braces, so I'm trying to get used to them. It's already been a month, and I kind of talk funny, or like I have a lot of saliva. So yeah, I feel like a little buzzed or whatever. I had checked the beer earlier because I did a challenge with my brother, and he dared me to check a beer. So yeah, if you are not already, follow me on Facebook and follow me on Instagram. But on Facebook, I did a Facebook live with my brother, and he's so dumb. Like, we just did like a little spicy noodle challenge type of thing. Yeah, that's what it was. But yeah, I just got home, and I want to show you guys. So this is gonna be like my enchilada chilaquile bootleggeras recipe. So I have more chips than this, but I just wanted to bring only one bag out. So what you're gonna need is cilantro, tomatillos, jalapeno, depends on how many people you're feeding, and a chicken. I honestly just pick up a rotisserie chicken from either Ralph's, Walmart, Costco, wherever you feel like buying your chicken from. Let me move this out of the way. And then so what I usually use, okay, so if you have this sauce, this is does it focus? Okay, so it's Las Palmas. Why doesn't it focus? Okay, so it's Las Palmas green chile enchilada sauce. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that, but it's Las Palmas green enchilada sauce. This is what I use. Honestly, if you have that, it's gonna be so much easier than this recipe, but I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So what you do is you wash your vegetables. Yes, hold on. So I'm gonna wash all my vegetables, and then I'm gonna put them to boil. Not the cilantro though. Your cilantro you're gonna throw it in after. So you're gonna put your tomatillos to boil and a jalapeno. This feeds about 4 to 5 people what I'm gonna make. So if you guys want to go off of who I feed, I usually just feed me, my husband, and my kids, which is 5 of us. So I have 2, 4, 6. I have 7 tomatillos and 1 jalapeno. My kids don't like spicy, obviously, because they're kids. So I only use 1 jalapeno. And then cilantro. You're gonna have your chicken, your tortilla chips. You can use any tortilla chips you like. I usually prefer the hard ones that they sell like at Cardenas or like Carniceria or something like that. And then for seasoning, you're gonna use chicken bouillon like always, some garlic salt, and then some onion powder. Look at my seasoning cabinet. I'm trying to buy like a little seasoning organizer, but yeah, that's not the point. So yeah, I'm gonna get started and then I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm boiling the tomatillos and the jalapeno. Make sure you wash everything before you boil it. I literally just shredded my chicken right now. So this is my chicken. I bought this at Walmart. Honestly, the best chicken that is rotisserie would have to be Costco, but if you don't have a Costco card, anything else works. Or you can make your own chicken, but I'm just trying to show you guys something super easy. These are the chips that I have. Like I said, I prefer the other ones, but these are what I'm gonna use today. The cilantro, and I'm actually making some rice right now, some Mexican rice. What's up, children of the corn? There's nothing in there. Okay. So another thing you will need is some cheese. You can use queso fresco, mozzarella, Monterey, whatever you like. I have it all. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it in there till it's time to use it though. So I'm gonna make the rice, let this boil, and then I'll be right back. It's like the super easiest dinner. I keep saying that, but it's true. So I just got my children from school. A bread?
Yeah.
What?
A peanut butter bread.
Okay.
A peanut butter bread.
So I want to show you guys my daughter's bows. They're so cute. We are in October and it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So my grandma made her these little bows. Super cute. So I'm going to feed my kids something for now till dinner's ready. And then I'll be right back.
Wow.
So I threw everything that I boiled in the blender. And then I washed like 1/4 of the cilantro. And I threw it in here as well. And it's just fresh cilantro, as you can see. I'm going to throw in a cup of water. So I only use about a cup. And then, oh sorry, this is so hard to do with one hand. But I'm gonna sit you guys down. How about that? Okay, hopefully you guys can see. It's a little dark in here, but I'm gonna put in a spoonful of the chicken bouillon, chicken nor. I don't know what you guys call it, but I call it chicken bouillon. And I just throw a little bit of garlic salt, a little bit of onion salt. You don't want it too salty. And then I'm gonna blend it all together, and then I'll be right back. So when I blended the sauce, I ended up adding an extra cup of water. So it's actually 2 cups of water. And then I put it to boil. So I'm here boiling it. And then I added a little bit of more chicken bouillon. But it's up to you. You kind of just taste the flavor. And then here's my rice. It cooked beautifully. Carlos just got home from work. Booties is having a cow because she wants a popsicle.
I want a popsicle. I want your pop.
Okay. So you're going to take out your cheese. You have your shredded chicken. I boiled my sauce for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. My rice. So I'm going to plate it and I'm going to show you guys how I plate it. But I'm just waiting for Carlos to come help me hold the camera. Throw that piece away. I know Carlos does not work at Honda.
Whatever.
Hold this so I can show them how I... Don't record me. So, I put the chips on the plate. And then I put the chicken on top. And then I put the cheese. Oh. Ah! Dang, I caught it, you see that? And then I love cheese, so I'll put cheese. And then you just pour the sauce on top. I had to make my own sauce because there's no Las Palmas at the store. And then you eat it with some rice on the side. And literally this is the dinner. Look at how bomb this looks. Does it look bomb? Yes or no? Yes? So this was Scarlett's request for dinner. And she just got home. Is it good or not?
Yeah. The sauce is a little spicy.
I know, I had to make it. It wasn't the canned one. It was only 1 jalapeno. I can't believe it was spicy. Is it bomb or is it bomb? You can have the rest of my soda.
It's bomb.
We went to Mexicali and we got soda from Mexicali. So this is like the best Mexicali soda ever in the world. Miss Loretta, I'm ready for the tour. The other day, I did a video of cleaning. And literally, I clean every single day and my house just gets dirty every single day. And my kids go to school, so I don't know how that happens. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. But, yeah. Super good. So, we're gonna enjoy our dinner. This is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little food vlog for today. Super easy dinner, but like I said, if you had Las Palmas, it would be faster. But yeah, thank you for watching. Bye guys. Oh wait, you want to close out my video with me? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little food vlog, and I'm gonna peace out already because Carlos is home and we're gonna have dinner. Bye guys.